This is Elliot. I'm from Astra. I'm going to walk you through the README and let's build Astra voice agent together. First, clone down the repo and go to the root of the project. Then let's come to the README. Prerequisites, keys. You know them already. Go get them. Downloads. We will need Docker and Docker Compose. Theoretically, you download the Docker desktop application, the Docker Compose is included already. For the Node.js, that's used for the user interface of voice agent is built on Next.js, so you need Node.js. Just download the LTS version, or if you have it installed already, making sure your version is greater than 18. Once the Docker application is downloaded, go to the setting of the Docker. You will see a AMD 64 emulation on Apple Silicon. Uncheck this box and apply restart. Otherwise, this voice agent is not going to work. After this part, then we're ready to do some real settings. Let's go to the root of the project and copy this to command. I did a copy right here. Go to my terminal and paste it right here. Now, if I do LA, I will see a environment file copied from environment example. Also in agents folder, I will see a property.json file copied from json.example. Now, come back to the step 2. Set up API keys and environment variables in .env file. Now what you need to do is open up this environment file, then fill in the app ID certificate and TDS, STT, and Open API. Let's do that together. Once you save that file, let's clear this. Then we could just do a Docker compose up. Then that's gonna pull all the containers configuration from Docker image. That's ready. To making sure how that is go back to your Docker application app. You can see all of them are up and running right now. Then let's go back to terminal and open another window, terminal tab, which is right here. Enter in Docker by using this bash command. Enter it, and then we are in the app directory of the agent. Then let's make build here. And this step normally takes around 5 minutes. Okay, looks like the installation is done. Now let's run the server by using command make run server. Okay, that's fast. So the server is ready on port 8080. That means we can directly right now go to localhost 3000. So the voice agent is up and running. Enter name Elliot here. Then we come to this page, sees all the 204 right here, ready. That's good. Connect.
Astra agent connected. How can I help you today?
Hey Astra, how are you?
Hey there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Good, good. Okay, that's working. That means we made it. Let's go also look at the graph designer at the localhost 3001. And this is the graph designer. You will be able to swap the change and using the workflow to do orchestration any way you want. So you're here, we're here, we made it. Thanks for watching.